Is your childhood best friend still your best friend? Are you still talking to your childhood friends? मुझे याद आता है मेरे स्कूल के दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स थे. आई हैड जस्ट शिफ्टेड टू अ न्यू स्कूल एंड वी वर कॉल्ड द चार्लीज एंजल्स. यस, आई एम श्योर अगर आपने भी ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी किया होगा where you were called the angels or the Charlie's angels, because that time it was like a thing. Those were my inseparable ones in school time. और हम लोग तभी तो लैंडलाइन फ़ोन्स होते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू टॉक फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स ऑन द फ़ोन. दोनों के नंबर बाय हार्ट थे मुझे. वो बहुत ही एक स्पेशल प्लेस होल्ड करते थे मेरे लाइफ में. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग ने सोचा था कि इट्स गोना लास्ट फॉर एवर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली लाइफ हैपेंड. आई वेंट टू कॉलेज. जो मेरे चाइल्डहुड स्कूल फ्रेंड्स थे उनके साथ आई थिंक काफ़ी हद तक बहुत कुछ पीछे छूट गया था. बट देन आई मेड अ न्यू बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हमारी तब ऐसी बातें होती थी कि हम ना ऐसे लड़कों को पकड़ेंगे जो भाई होंगे एंड हम फिर उनसे शादी कर सकते हैं और फिर हम एक ही घर में रह लेंगे. सो वी वर लाइक सो सेल्फिश दैट वी वर सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद ईच अदर कि हम अपने फ्यूचर डिसाइड कर लिया था कि कहाँ हम शादी करेंगे. वी आर लाइक इन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस बेस्ट फ्रेंडशिप वाला सीन वेयर शी इज़ इन कैनेडा, आई एम इन पुणे. एंड ऑब्वियसली वो दोनों भाई नहीं है. इतनी सारी मीठी मीठी बातें, ख्याली पुलाव, फैंटेसी, लिविंग इन अ फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड. वी डू दैट अ लॉट, बट डज इट रियली हैपन? नो, इट डज नॉट. मे बी कुछ लोगों के साथ होता होगा, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल आई डोंट थिंक life goes as planned. Not everything goes as per what you have decided for yourself कि हाँ हम जिंदगी भर साथ रहेंगे, we will settle down in the same country. Life changes, priorities changes, and that's when the new phase of life starts, where you end up meeting a different kind of people in your adulthood, and they know a new version of you. You are like a clean slate. They don't know the fantasy world or the timid version, or your they know a different kind of a version where you have gone through all the possible ups and downs. You had your baggage, you have your childhood traumas, you had your relationship traumas, and they meet that version of you, which is like a version 2.0. लाइफ के साथ साथ हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स बदल चुके हैं, हमारे सॉल्यूशंस बदल चुके हैं. द कॉन्वर्जेशंस वी यूज्ड टू हैव विद आवर फ्रेंड्स हैव चेंज्ड ओवर द डेकेड. Maybe back in the day I would like wait for my school recess period, and I would have just 5 or 10 rupees, and I would go with my friend to this particular shop, and हम 2 रुपए के समोसे खरीदते थे. और वो क्योंकि इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाते थे बिकॉज दे वर सो टेस्टी, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया सोच के. आई वुड वेट, लाइक जैसी बेल बजेगी हम दोनों भाग के जाते थे उस दुकान पे बिकॉज इट वॉज अ लिटिल फार. And we would run to get those 2 rupees wala oily samosas and a Dairy Milk cracker. So that was my recess meal. And now look at us, we are talking about protein complete hona chahiye, carbs zyada to nahi hai, oh this is too fatty, this is too oily, I have to look after my diet, I have to work out, I have to do meditation, I have to do yoga. All those kind of conversations have evolved over the decade. The beauty of both those conversations have been special. They both hold a special place in my heart. So now look at us, we are hustling, we are healing, we are thriving. The other version of us was more living in a fantasy world and a more carefree world ke ek hi to life hai, ji lete, but now look at us, we are more responsible, we are more alert, we are more focused, we want to be disciplined in life, we want to show consistency in life. These are the kind of conversations we end up having with our friends now. बचपन में हम ये बॉदर करते थे कि भाई स्लीप ओवर पे जाना है, स्लीप ओवर से भी स्नीक आउट करना है, मम्मी ना पकड़ ले, पापा का फ़ोन ना आ जाए, हम दोनों एक ही टाइम पे अगर कहीं और घूमने चले गए और हम दोनों की मम्मियों ने फ़ोन कर लिया तो बस ख़त्म. But those were the worries that we had back in the days. And now the conversations that we have with our friends कि हमारी मेड नहीं आ रही, हमारी कुक ने फिर से छुट्टी ले ली, तुम कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर रहे हो मुझे भी बताओ, आर स्टॉक्स सेफ? So my question to you is that why do we live in nostalgia all the time? वही पुरानी बातें लेके बैठ जाते हैं. It's very difficult to let go of those memories. Of course, they hold a special place in your heart. But what about the new relationships you are making as you grow old? I think it's a different experience. It's a different ball game altogether, because they are, like I said, they meet a new version of you. You never know that they might have gone through the same things. There were so many childhood best friends that they must have lost in the past because life happened, and you end up clicking just on basis of that. Does time, duration, the number of years that you've known them really matters? Because I think we don't give importance too much to the adult friendships that we come across in this phase of our life, and I think we should appreciate them a little more. Yes, of course, childhood best friends hold a special place in your heart. But what about the strangers you meet at work? What about that one friend you want to text when life suddenly gets very difficult at 2 a.m. and they are there for you? But what about the detachment and letting go of that process, or that acceptance that they are not your childhood best friends anymore? Well, that is something you'll have to wait for my next video, because that one is also going to be special as this one. So I hope you share this video with your special childhood friend if you're in touch with, or the adult friendships that you have made through your adulthood phase. So yeah, if you relate to this, please follow my channel, and I hope you like this. I hope you relate to this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.